Welcome. If you're looking to update your Telegram group's name and keep things fresh for your community, you're in the right place. Changing the group name on Telegram is quick and easy, and you can do it right from your phone in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the Telegram app installed and you're logged in. Now, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to the group chat where you want to change the name. You'll find all your group chats listed on the main screen. Just tap on the one you want to edit. At the top of your group chat, you'll see either the group's picture or its current name. Tap on this area. This will take you to the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group, its members, and more. Look for the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this pencil icon. Now you'll see the current group name highlighted and ready to be changed. Simply tap on the group name field, erase the old name, and type in your new group name. Make sure the new name reflects the purpose or vibe of your group, so members always know what it's about. Once you're happy with the new name, confirm your changes by tapping the checkmark or save button. This is usually found at the top right of the screen. Your group's name will update instantly, and all members will see the new name the next time they open the chat. That's it. You've successfully edited your Telegram group name. Keeping your group's name up to date is a great way to keep your community engaged and make sure everyone's on the same page. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most out of your Telegram experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.